But then here comes this one.
Yeah.
It's been 4 years in the business.
Yes.
What are the biggest lessons, or what are those lessons that you have learned
Yeah.
so far you wish to share?
Yeah, the biggest lessons I've learned is not everyone is honest. Not everyone is what they say they are. You know, others will come, place an order, pay you with a fake proof of payment. By the time you learn, they're gone and the money is not reflecting. Then you call them, the phone is off. Some they'll crook you, you know, and there's different ways of crooking you, especially in manufacturing. Some will say, okay, listen here, I want to support you. I want to buy about 100,000 packs, but only if you give me at this price. They even give you their price. You sit down, you do the maths, this thing's not adding up. But you know what? At least I'll be getting 20 cents. Let me try the deal. Then you agree. And say, if you agree, then it's fine. I'm going to support you. I'll be buying these quantities. Then they come next week, they place an order. They only buy 100 or 15 or 10. But they want to buy it with that price that they came with. They said, if I take 10, remember when somebody say, I want to buy 100,000 packs. Sorry. And I say, okay, no, I'll give you a big discount. I'll give you, let's say, at 15 rands. If you buy 100,000 packs, I'll give you at 15
That's
rands.
an agreement.
That's an agreement. Then tomorrow they come. You know what, let me start with 10. I want to see how it moves. Now they come, they buy 10, 15, 20, 10, 15. Oh, but now you're not going to make the money that you thought you were going to be making.
And it's also a deviation from the initial agreement.
Yes. And they say, hang on. This price was based on you paying 100,000. They say, no, but I have to introduce the product to the market. Only to find he's trying to build his own customers with the cheapest price. Now it's like uvuka ngawe in a way. You understand?
But
when now you're struggling,
authenticity and honestness in the beginning to say, I want to try out.
Yes.
Just allow me.
Exactly.
So that when you structure your deal, you understand the person you're dealing with.
Exactly.
Instead of over-promising.
Yes.
Then now you have to buy.
Yeah.
Now you want to tell me that you're basically
let me just introduce it. But now you have agreed on that. So those are the kind of manipulations you'll be coming across. Like I said, one of them, fake proof of payments. I remember one guy came to the factory with those Uber trucks, Uber van. He said, I am here to collect an order. I said, from who? And he said, no, this guy, he said he placed an order here for about 100 packs or so, and he will pay once I get here. Okay, sharp. No, we do have stock. Tell him to pay. Then we prepare the stock, we put it aside. And the guy sends a proof of payment, which is fake. And then I said, no, as long as the money is not reflecting, I'm not going to give you the stock. And then he phoned whoever who sent him, say, but reflect. He said, no, tell those people I paid, man. Why do they say they won't load after I've paid? Now he's acting angry. And the Uber guy said, I'm also not leaving here because of now. That guy said he's going to pay me when I bring the stock. So I drove all the way to here to collect. Now you tell me you can't load. I said to him, you will sit there until the money reflects. The guy said, and he left. Till today, the money never reflected. And the guy, he called us, the Uber van guy, said, hey, it was a scam. Which means he was going to take stock from us. This guy was going to deliver and was also going to give him a fake proof of payment. So he would have scammed both of us at the same time. So what I will say on advice to maybe new beginners, new entrants to the market, I know you'll be excited. Ooh, I got this big order. Ooh. Be careful. You don't release any stock before the money reflects in your bank account. So yeah, until today, my sales guy do come across a lot of scammers, but now they know what to check, what to look out for. They try their best to stay away from that.
Hey, you are reminding me something. Oh, I've heard a story.
Yes.
Gisimos, if you're driving around Rosebank, that will be Oxford Road. That's
right. Yeah.
As if you are going towards Sentin, but just beginning of Rosebank, as though there were Fourways Mall and the house station. And as you are driving towards Sentin,
yes,
then that's where Collect Drive connects.
Collect, that's right. Yes.
So if you
on your way to
take your Collect Drive name,
and
then as if you're exiting,
yes,
Rosebank.
Oh yes, that's right. Yeah.
I once met somebody there.
Yeah.
Apparently there were these brothers of ours from this country.
Yes.
Who I got that story. That day they were busy trying to find out where they are.
Yeah.
You see from Rosebank, as you're going downwards, and when you drive straight, man.
Yes.
Going inside, what is this area?
Facing
searching
Sandton
them.
direction.
Yeah, there was no. The opposite. Angiti from Rosebank.
Yes.
Oxford Road.
Yeah.
We're facing Sandton.
Yeah.
So Collect Drive will connect to Oxford.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So when you take your right there,
yes, going down, yeah.
and then you drive straight, exiting the side.
It's like you're going to Melrose and whatnot. Yeah.
The guys were searching for them around that area. Apparently, they used that address as an area of delivery.
Yeah.
But when they got there, oh, it's clean. The offices, there's nobody there.
Okay.
The lady who was selling gadgets around Sandton, they scammed her over. They scammed her around 200 and something thousand stock.
That's what they do. Yeah.
Gadgets.
Yes.
Gone.
Yeah, that's right.
They gave a fake proof of payment.
Yeah.
Gone.
They'll wipe you. And others, they can even use like retailers' contact details. I once got a big like an email from Boxer. Boxer is one of the biggest retail shops, saying, you know what, we were interested in your product. They gave me a data sheet to fill it in. Say, this is the specifications we want and the quantities and millions of rolls that they need. It sounded like a good deal. And said, then from there, send us your banking details and all those things. My gut feeling like, this sounds like it's not real, man. The next day, I took a flight. I flew down to Durban to Boxer offices. I got there. Then I showed them, I printed the emails. And I said, I'm looking for this guy. We were talking nicely. He wants to order from us. But I want to verify this information. I got there was this old Matala there, standing on top of the table, swearing. Somebody scammed him about 5-10 million rands using the Boxer email address. And when they looked at my email address, they were like, it's the same person. This is the same person. Now that guy is angry. Say, I want this person here. They said, no, we don't know this person. It does not work here. It probably must be a scammer. And our email address will say, let's say bongani@boxer.co.za. That one will be saying bongani@boxerstores.co.za. They forward you smaller things that you won't even take note of. When I got there, they just laughed at me and said, sorry, bro. Luckily, didn't lose any money out of this. There's no such a thing, does not exist. So those are the challenges. Coming back to your question that we come across, scamsters, fraudulent, whatever, proof of payments, and all of that. And people who manipulate your prices and they want to pay what they want to pay and not take into consideration how much you are charging. Yeah. So those are the kind of challenges we come across quite frequently.
Yeah.
So as we are sitting here, somebody's planning. How can he manipulate you? How can he change things? How can he get more for less? But at your expense, at your time, at your labor time, at your rental time. Because remember, you have bills to pay, salaries to pay. It's not free. So there are challenges, and you need to be very, very vigilant. One did about. This gave me about 10 to 15K, but that was, and Strange was a regular customer.
Oh, okay.
She bought, and then she started not paying full invoices. Then I told my admin lady that, no, you know what? Next time when they come, don't give them the full stock. Tell them to first pay the previous balance before they take stock. You know what? That lady came. She was laughing with them. She bought them biscuits. Hey guys, how can your boss say that? You know me, I've been buying here for a very long time. How can, you know what? Let me just pay that balance. It's fine. Fake proof of payment. They were excited. You see now this person is reliable. They paid. Then they took the next stock, which now the previous balance was paid with the fraudulent proof of payment, and they took the other stock which they didn't pay for. And when I waited for the money to reflect after 2 days, I tried to call them, voicemail. And I was like, but this person was supporting us nicely. They were buying. All of a sudden, I don't know what, maybe they're like that. Maybe that's their modus operandi. They lay you to be comfortable, to be relaxed. Once they build the trust, then they're gone. Then they're gone. And I'm telling you, raw materials for tissue paper is not cheap. It's extremely expensive. So if they hit you 20K, 30K, it's massive. It's extremely massive.
Hey. Hey.
So
Malema once said, Hibi Mantwe. Malema once said, Hibi Mantwe.
Yeah, that's true. So we come across such, especially manipulation. That one is the biggest one.
You know why?
Yeah.
I'm actually surprised.